I need an intro. Hi, I'm Adam LZ, and welcome to the April 1 Day. Hi. Oh. Drift event. We're at a drift event. Follow me. I'll take you into the world of drifting.
Copyright.
So where we're setting up filming, he's running. I'm trying to turn. This thing doesn't freaking turn at all. Look at this. Look at the turning. Look, the wheel doesn't even move until you get to here. I think the FMF's got.
Look how poor.
Oh no.
Can I get an intro now?
Huh? What do you need?
Yeah, dude.
Oh,
welcome to Antidotetv.
Damn, dude. Does this have like S chassis?
It's similar.
Kind of like it feels like similar. It feels like it runs out, like it goes to the lock fast.
It does.
So I should probably try not to like let it through.
What a nerd! Trying to be all smooth. Bro, like Han on Tokyo Drift.
Did you get him? Oh my god. You had to get
You ain't getting my number.
Jesus Christ. That's funny.
Yeah, it does go to lock pretty quick. That's why I don't let go, I like let it slide.
Yeah, that's hilarious. I saw it.
We'll see it. It'll be a surprise.
What?
The oil.
Yeah. It might help.
You know where the oil is, Connor?
No, but I want to
figure it out.
I want it to be a surprise.
Mario Mushroom.
Hey, this is my third lap. This is my third time driving this bad boy. I don't know, I guess. Okay, that's funny. Did you see me go?
Uh-huh.
Where's the e-brake? Oh my god.
Pull off and then we'll do a switch.
That's ridiculous. That's all I needed, Brian. That's all I needed.
Straighten out.
Yeah. I don't think I like spun all the way around, so I'll take it.
No, yeah. It gets weird. It's like having to e-brake and then go back into it at first.
I love the like turbo driving, and when I realized like, oh wait, I can let off and clutch kick and like it saves itself. Oh yeah, dude, I'm bucked up. I want to be in this thing.
Pull into the pits. They're over there.
I love the shift pattern though, honestly.
It feels, dude, it feels good. Like it
why
just
it
floats
feels
in
like-
there. Chinese red light, where's mine?
Chinese red light, hello.
Is it slippery or no?
I don't know.
No.
I wasn't
see
paying
that.
attention.